Hi guys, welcome back. Today is Sunday, but we saw another interesting episode last night, Saturday. Salman Khan was back in the house. He had some really nice moments with the contestants, but he also welcomed some interesting and unexpected guests. Unexpected for the audience because we didn't know what was coming around. I have with me Kameshwari who will tell us more about it.
So yesterday we saw Salman meeting Manu's girlfriend and Mona Lisa's boyfriend on the show. And what they revealed was very shocking. First of all, we somewhere expected that Mona is playing a game when she shifted from celebrity group to commoner group, but that was proved by her
boyfriend, yeah.
Ultimately, who yesterday spoke that Mona is behaving like she behaves on the film set. Once this show is over, she's not gonna look back at whatever has happened or whatever friends she's made in the show.
Yeah, he apparently said that she's actually acting in the house. She's a very good actress. She knows how to do it. So it was more about the acting part that he talked about.
However, we also saw that Manu girlfriend was getting a bit uncomfortable with the coziness that is developing in between the so-called couples in the house. And Manveer's bhabhi was very so we had also Manveer's bhabhi, by the way.
Yeah.
So she was very happy with how he is playing the game.
He's playing the game.
And even Mona Lisa's boyfriend was very impressed with how Manveer is playing.
Yeah. I think we all are impressed because he's one of those strong people in the house and he's playing it quite well. That's what the bhabhi said.
Yes. Next, what happened was so every Saturday, what happened was the contestants have to nominate one person who has been a villain of the week. So ultimately, Swami was elected as we
unanimously,
always know.
the safe option as people put it.
Yeah, but what we saw yesterday was Lopamudra's strong stand against what happened during the captaincy task. What do you have to say about that? How
See, basically, this is one part I think which I'm sure you and a lot of us love about Lopa. She is quite on the face, honest, and she sticks by what she says, and that is something even Salman Khan has been quite appreciative about. We saw a day before she was discussing about the Khalnaik with Manu. She didn't know what Manu will choose, but she was sure that she said even if I have to go against the house, I will take the name of Gaurav because she didn't like the way how Gaurav's attitude during the captaincy task, despite Manveer getting so badly hurt. Gaurav was sticking to playing the game, completing the task. So she was like, it was a little it was not a human behavior that Gaurav gave. So she was quite she was quite not happy about it from the very beginning, which she obviously continued in yesterday's episode. She gave very nice justifications why she sticks to Gaurav's name, which was quite acceptable. All respect to her. I think Salman Khan was also quite impressed by how she gave her she took the name of Gaurav and the reasons she gave. And apart from that, we also saw a little fight between Bani and Manu, which was a little continuation of their constant tussle. You will tell us more about that?
Well, I think it was unnecessary on Manoj's part because apparently whatever has been happening in the house, you cannot blame just one person for everything it is happening.
Yeah.
Okay, she has a negative attitude towards the commoners. We've been seeing it for past few weeks, but that doesn't mean that jo bhi ho raha hai uske piche Bani ka haath hai. So even that has somewhere played around in the mind of Bani, and that's why she's getting more, in fact, more negative.
She's getting very furious for the fact that if you guys are not able to understand me, then just kind of don't bother, don't throw everything on me. And we saw a really hard reaction from her end last night, which was probably an outburst, much awaited outburst.
We also saw Salman questioning Gaurav's friendship towards Bani. He was like, are you getting scared of the fact that people might think you're a couple in the house? That's the reason why you're not taking a stand when required for Bani, and you're playing safe friendship in the...
But Gaurav was pretty clear, like he's always been that I'm an actor and I'll be an actor in the house. I'll save my profile, and he was quite open about it. Yes, I'm doing that and I will continue to do it. Rest, we saw some fun moments with Soham Swami, Salman Khan Salman Khan raising the issue of the stealing thing that happened and how Swami was still defending him. It gave a very interesting moments of laughter once again. Ultimately, we saw Bani getting saved from the evictions this week. We told you yesterday that Swami will be leaving the house tonight, but there is another surprise. Even Manu will be leaving the house tonight, but why? You will have to wait and watch in today's episode. We'll have Ranveer Singh and Vaani Kapoor coming to promote their film Befikre. So stay tuned. We'll be back with the review for tonight's episode tomorrow.